Hello everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Now today I have a lesson for you that's gonna be actually useful to you if you're a student in high school, middle school, or if you're an educator. I want to give you words today that allow you to talk about school subjects. Let's get ready to write down some words that have to do with school subjects. Let's start. First we have to know what we call school subjects in Spanish, right? So in Spanish we call it as materias escolares, music, música, history, historia, art, arte, geography, geografía, politics, politiquia, biology, biología, chemistry, química, physics, física, economics, economía, math, matemáticas, science, ciencia, literature, literatura, social studies, estudios sociales, physical science, las ciencias físicas, technology, tecnología, physical education, educación física, religious education, enseñanza religiosa. So this is all about school subjects, and mention your favorite subjects in comment section. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you, have a nice day.